dressed in.
Good morning and happy Monday and Vlogmas Week 5, which is the last week of Vlogmas. I think my brain cannot comprehend the fact that Christmas is in less than 4 days, which is crazy. So I'm gonna have to do everything in my power this week to get ready in the next 3 days because we have people sleeping over in our house for Christmas and I have to still wrap up the present because last week I tried to wrap them up. I think it was Tuesday, Thursday, I'm not sure, but we're missing wrapping paper. I got done with my roll, so I have to buy another one and I'm gonna do that today after my client. I have lots of clients this week, of course, because everyone and their mom wants lashes before Christmas, or at least a refill before Christmas. So yeah, I think I have like 6 or 7 clients today, so it's gonna be a long day, especially since I got the influenza I think this weekend. I'm not gonna jinx it, but my throat is kind of sore, so I took some cough medicine already yesterday so I can prevent the worst. But yeah, today is gonna be a busy day once again, and yeah.
The city's dressed in diamonds, sparkling in the light.
Just finished my lash client and now I'm preheating my lunch, a very light lunch since it's 3:30, but I'm hungry, so it's time to eat. I'm gonna eat my cream of chicken and then go run some errands for tonight so I can wrap up some presents.
Sleeves on the long sleeves, super tight, and I hate.
The shoppers rush through slush and snow. It's quite out of sight.
They're looking for a treasure or a golden ring or two,
But they don't know the secret, honey.
My favorite gift is you.
Now some may like the ribbons and the fancy department stores,
But I'm just fine right here, dear, behind these cozy doors.
I've got a...
Good morning, happy Tuesday. As you can probably tell, I'm feeling very stuffy today. I'm back again being sick. Like I said yesterday, I think I got the influenza at the casino last weekend actually. But yeah, anyway, not gonna talk about being sick because I'm not manifesting it being worse. I think I slept very well last night. I slept like 12 hours. I went to bed at like 8 p.m. and I woke up at like 8:30 a.m. this morning. I slept most of the night. I woke up at like 4, but I took some cough medicine and then I went back to bed like this. Anyway, I thought I would show you properly how I make my coconut matcha because it's one of my favorite. Actually, it's my favorite, and I think I never properly shown you how I make it. It's very easy. First, I always do coconut syrup. Don't put any sugar on my matcha except for this creamer. Use only almond milk, and almond milk isn't very thick, so I use a creamer for sweetness and to thicken it up. So this is the almond milk that I use, is the organic almond milk from Costco. So I'm just gonna use up all that I have left in there, but mostly at like the middle part. And then to finish it off, I'm putting a little bit of coconut water because I love the taste of coconut water and its natural electrolytes. You put your matcha on top. And that's it. For now, coconut matcha is my favorite thing ever. So that's my recipe. Now I'm gonna go back to work. Second matcha of the day, and this one looks amazing. I think better even than this morning. It was very good, the one that I made this morning, but I needed a second one for my energy because tonight I thought I was pretty much done with the Christmas prep, but I have to clean all of my bathroom and the living room because we have one more party, people sleeping over. So we have like one sleeping in this my like office area, sleeping in there, and one sleeping in the living room, and we sleep in our bedroom. So we have like a full house. So I'm gonna have to clean all of that and prep everything tonight because tomorrow we have two parties, one before the party where everyone sleeps here. So everything needs to be done before our first party. So a lot to do today after my last client. So I'm gonna get some energy, get moving, and then start prepping for the big day tomorrow.
Little bourbon and a fire that's burning blue.
But the ice is only in my glass, 'cause my favorite gift is you. You can keep the silk pajamas,
And the silver-plated tray.
we're making our own magic.
Good morning, happy Wednesday, and happy Christmas Eve. I cannot tell you how excited I am to say that, but also how sad I am because tomorrow is Christmas, and then after that there's no Christmas for like 364 days, which makes me very sad. So making myself for breakfast a little berry bowl, yogurt, berries, and granola, and I'm gonna put on top, you guessed it, my peanut butter Biscoff drizzle that I make, and that's gonna be my breakfast, and hopefully it's gonna get me through like until the two dinner parties. I think that's gonna be enough for my lunch and breakfast because it's 10:30 right now. So I think I'm gonna be good because I have lots of work to do, lots of stuff to catch up on. I have a few presents more to wrap last minute, and I have some cleaning to do. Then I have to do my hair, my makeup. So yeah, I think we have a lot on the plate today. So good breakfast it is. But yeah, this morning I woke up, I was feeling a little bit better energy wise, and then I got dressed. I put on this cute dress that's like tube top dress with a like skirt and some tights, and I put this cardigan on top just for now so I don't get like too cold. But I think that's gonna be my Christmas Eve outfit. So let's finish making dinner and then go work, and then I'm gonna catch you guys up with the festivities after.
In a very special way.
While the world is out there rushing,
We're dancing nice and slow.
with no particular place to be and nowhere else to go.
For our second Christmas dinner, we have to bring something. So I'm making an apple crumble with like salted caramel. Oh my gosh, the lighting made my eyes so blue. But I'm making a apple crumble with salted caramel drizzle on top. And I'm bringing also as an extra some marinated olives, like homemade marinated olives. So let's do that because I have all the ingredients to do that right now. And for the apple crumble, we need to go to the grocery store, so we're going to do that, me and my boyfriend, right now, like in 10-ish minutes. So we're gonna go, and then I'm gonna come back home, make the apple crumble, then set it in the oven, and while it's in the oven, work some more, and you guessed it, then work some more and get ready finally. I'm almost ready. I just have to do my hair. I did my makeup and my outfit underneath this, but I don't want to get it messy, so for like my cooking and stuff, I'm putting this shirt on, just a PJ shirt for safety, you know, because when you are wearing a black dress or white dress, it's super easy to stain it, so just being careful.
I could travel to the mountain.
Got the goods for the apple crisp. Now let's go back home and cook it up.
or the fancy shops in Rome.
But why go for a walk, friend,
When you got the star at home?
it's not about the boxes.
We decided to do something different this year, and is to open the Christmas gift, the second party, before our first party. So that's what we just did, and now I'm rushing making a matcha before leaving, because I received as one of my Christmas gift some coconut matcha syrup. So I'm very excited to try it. It smells so good, so I'm very excited to try it and have this as a little drink for my evening. Now that's my matcha, and let's go to our first Christmas party.
Red or blue, it's simpler than that.
It's currently 11:04 and we just arrived from our first party and now onto our second party. I made myself a little guava white rum drink. I was about to say guava martini, but it's not necessarily martini. But yeah, got a little refresh on my hair, even though it's so hot in here. Like there's 60 people upstairs, so my hair just fell out like the second I went up. But yeah, wanted to update you guys because the rest of the night I don't think I will, but just enjoy.
My favorite gift is you.
My favorite gift is you.
Now, how about another toast?
Merry Christmas. As you can probably tell, I lost my voice last night. I was singing too much, but I'm in bed. It's 8:30 p.m. and I'm about to go to sleep. I'm so tired. We ended up like staying up until like 5 or 6 a.m. dancing all night, which was amazing. Then went to bed, slept for like 4 or 5 hours max. Got up again, ate breakfast, then some more, and then had lunch, then some more, and that's pretty much what we end up doing all day, just talking, catching up, and dancing to some good Latino music, and it was amazing. Now I'm super tired, and yeah, need to relax my voice and recharge. Good morning, happy Friday. As you can probably tell, I don't have that much voice left. It's better than it was yesterday. Now it's Friday, December 26th, so happy Boxing Day. I hope you had the best Christmas ever and you spent time with your family and loved ones, and yeah, just had a good time, catch up and stuff. But as for me, I had a very, very nice Christmas. It was a very fun and just, yeah, nice. Now I'm going to Best Buy to buy an Oura ring, or at least an Oura ring sizing kit, so I can like get my size right. And I'm gonna splurge on myself and get an Oura ring. I've been wanting one for like 2 years, so I think it's time that I buy myself one. And also, I think today it's gonna be a very slowish day. We still have like half of the party from the second Christmas party at house, so like we still have at least like 20-30 people at the house. So it's gonna be a part 2 of the Christmas party today, I feel like. So we're gonna just like maybe chill because we are all tired, but we're gonna eat the leftovers from Christmas Day and just chill, watch movies, play games and stuff. So I might not vlog much because I don't want to bother people with a camera in their face, especially when they feel tired and stuff, not at their best, you know. So I'm just gonna take it easy today and relax after this errands and just spend time with family and friends. But just wanted to hop in and close this vlog out and wish you guys the best holiday season, and I'll see you probably next week. I loved very much doing vlogs every single week, so I think I'm gonna stick to it for the new year, and hopefully I will see you next week and feeling a lot better for New Year's and all the shenanigans of the new year that brings us, like resetting, decluttering, being the best version of you, so creative, inspiring and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you next week and for another vlog. But happy holiday season. I love you guys.